Hello friend, today in this video we will see how to use do while in JavaScript. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, in loop we first initialize our variable. After that we provide condition. Then we increment or decrement the variable value. Okay, this is how we do in while loop. And the main difference between while loop and do while is when the condition is false, do while terminate, it didn't or it does not enter to the loop. But in do while, what actually is this run at least once if the condition is false, and if the condition is true it run according to the condition. Let's see how it works. The syntax, first of all, let's see the syntax of do while. First you use do keyword and provide curly bracket. Here you provide statement, and then we use increment or decrement, increase or degree. Okay, and after that we use while keyword here and provide the condition. Okay, this is the formal syntax of our do while loop. Okay, now just let's remove this and see how it works. For example, I declare a variable where a equals to 10, and after that we provide do, and here we provide our statement document.write and say hi bro learner, and then we provide br tag bro learner br tag, and then we provide a plus plus, and after that we provide condition while a equals to 20. This is false condition actually, but let's see whether this statement print our value or not. Okay, let's save. You can see this is run. If I use same thing in our while loop, for example while a equals to 20, just print this statement. Let's see whether hi brother की जगह हम लिखते हैं hello and let's save. You can see this is not run. If I just commenting it this and let's save, everything is removed. You can see this is the main difference between our while loop and do while loop, and the rest thing is same. If the condition is true, let's see how this work when the condition is true. Let's just undo comment, and after that just to use here we can use less than equals to 20 and a plus plus, and after that just to use count a plus not plus, and here we use space double space. Let's save. You can see 10 11 12. This is a similar flow of while, but the main difference is whether the condition is true or false, it run at least once if the condition is false. If it is true, then run according to the condition. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.